The DWI New 812 Pro drone is an excellent entry-level quadcopter designed to make flying and aerial photography accessible and fun for everyone. With a focus on stability, durability, and user-friendly controls, this drone is perfect for kids and beginners. Its standout features include a powerful brushless motor, 360 degrees protection, and a fixed-angle HD camera with FPV capabilities. Powerful brushless motor? The 812 PRO is equipped with a 1503 brushless motor, which is a significant upgrade from traditional brushed motors. A brushless motor provides superior power, greater efficiency, and a longer lifespan, ensuring a more stable and reliable flight performance. 360 degrees protection and stability. This drone is designed for new pilots and features 360 degrees protection to guard the propellers from bumps and collisions. The built-in 6-axis gyroscope and altitude hold mode ensure that the drone maintains a stable flight height, making it easier for beginners to control and focus on steering and capturing content. HD camera with FPV. The 812 Pro comes with an HD camera that offers Wi-Fi FPV, allowing you to see a real-time feed of your flight on your smartphone. The camera is fixed at a 45 degrees angle, which is ideal for capturing a variety of shots from an elevated perspective. The FPV distance of 30 to 50 m is well suited for a beginner's experience. User-friendly controls. Designed for ease of use, the drone's remote control operates in Mode 2, left-hand throttle. The drone's 4 channels allow for standard flight maneuvers like forward, backward, left, and right, while a variety of features, including a headless mode, simplify the flying process and make it accessible for all skill levels. Flight time and range. The drone is powered by a 3.7V 1350 mAh LiPo battery, providing a solid flight time of about 11 to 15 minutes. The remote control operates on a 2.4G frequency and offers a remote distance of 50 to 80 m, which is a great range for a mini drone. In summary, the DWI New 812 Pro drone is an excellent choice for a beginner's quadcopter. Its combination of a powerful brushless motor, durable design with 360 degrees protection, and user-friendly features makes it a fantastic tool for learning how to fly. With its HD camera and FPV capabilities, it offers a great way to capture a new perspective, making it a perfect gift for kids and aspiring drone enthusiasts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more drone reviews, comparisons, and flight tests.